What am I running from anyway? Why am I back at the same spot? This logic is insane, even by Sonic 221 standards. I feel like I'm in some weird and wacky dream. Wait a second. So that's it. I'm dreaming.
What are you talking about, Sonic? This isn't a dream. This is as real as going to get.
Oh, really? Then how do you explain the Superman flipping towards me? Hey, wait a second. Oh, shit. Oh, my.
I'm going to rape you!
Phew. Thank goodness it was only a dream. Amy, can you please leave?
Let me think about that. Okay.
Wow! She actually did what I told her to. This is a dream come true. Wait a second. Amy would never want to be as far away from me as possible. She'd want the exact opposite. So that means I'm still dreaming.
See, the Mobia virus is getting worse. Many of the people of Mobius are dying after getting Mobit 91, and the population is decreasing each day. So please, wash your hands, wear a mask, and if you have a high temperature and constant cough, please stay at home for at least 14 days. And Sonic, I can't believe I'm saying this, but this means you too.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta stay at home because of the MOBA virus.